Good to see you this evening. We'll start out with a look at a tornado in Minnesota. Look at this. Hutchinson, Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes today. Very busy. Numerous tornadoes and thunderclouds reported. That's just one of them. And look at the map here. Wow. Very strong storms up here in Minnesota today. Now, down here we had our garden variety showers and storms. And as we go throughout the next few days, rain chances lower. Let's check out Bandit. He's our first alert forecast helper tonight. Partly cloudy tomorrow. Maybe an isolated storm. A better chance for a storm or two Sunday. Warm and dry Monday. Humidity lowers here. We're still warm during the day, but the humidity levels over the next couple of days going on down just a little bit. Now, if you look closely, there's a few towering clouds still out there. That was our time lapse from earlier this evening. Great sunset here across the region. Nice burst of color here, and also some crepuscular rays with the setting sun in those clouds. But some of those towering clouds that we still have in place are producing some downpours. One of which a little thunder shower here between Bruce and Pontotoc. Right here, that is a nice little gully washer. It's not going to last too long, but the rain's probably pretty intense and a little bit of thunder and lightning in that. And a few other blips here all the way over towards Okolona. That's what we have going on. There's a little boundary moving on through, kicking off some of these showers and thunder showers here tonight. A lot of this will fade away over the next few. So I think by midnight, maybe 1 o'clock, all of this should be done. Pretty quiet for the rest of tonight, and then we'll just have a pretty benign start to our Saturday. So let's just go ahead and talk about our planner for Winona tomorrow, and really just about everywhere else. We start out in the low 70s here, upper 80s to around 90, if not 91 or 92. So it should be a pretty decent day overall as we start the weekend with a fair amount of sunshine, some friendly clouds here. But eventually, some of those clouds could bubble on up and produce a shower or storm. Winds from the northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. If you have any outdoor plans, it should be okay overall. Just have a backup plan if one of those brief showers happens to find your location here. But North Mississippi, West Alabama looking fairly good overall. Odds of rain a little bit higher off to our south and east tomorrow. You can see that with our future forecast in the afternoon over here towards Birmingham, Montgomery, closer to Jackson, Meridian Point, south and east. Probably a better chance for some rain around here. We can't rule it out, but overall nothing really to be worried about. That will go away. At least some of those clouds will go away. Sunday morning should be fairly quiet as we start out the weekend, but there's another little boundary moving on through, and yeah, we may see a shower storm yet again here, and then some benign weather as we get into early next week. Quick look at the tropics before the 7-day. Tropical storm Kyle formed off the east coast today. That is quickly racing out to sea. And Tropical Storm Josephine is still out here in the Atlantic. Both of those systems look like they will be staying here in the open Atlantic. No threat to the United States and definitely no threat to us. We'll keep watching the Gulf and the Atlantic as the season continues. For your 7 days, the next 7 days here, low 90s through the weekend into early next week. Humidity going down a bit, so that should get lows into the 60s as we go through time here. So that's a nice little change of pace. A few more scattered showers and storms by next Thursday and Friday.